Here we come to the parking garage elevators at the Moody Gardens Hotel and Convention Center in Galveston, Texas. These are Schindler 500A traction elevators from 2009. This one doesn't chime. 6. G. I'm gonna get a different elevator car that has my favorite chime on it. There's your phone. It's Big Brother. Cab view. Alright, let's get a different one. Hopefully one of them has the chime. Oh! I didn't push it hard enough. Call might have just canceled too soon. Alright, let's call the other one. We got that one over there. Oh, this one doesn't chime either? Oh, listen to that. That chime sounds lovely. This one runs a lot better than the one on the very far right. Here's your phone. Similar elevator car. I'm gonna send you up. Oh, before I do. Oh, never mind. Someone's coming. That is something. I want to get one of the elevator cars. Oh, here's this one. Right? Yes, this one's got the chime. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. We finally got this one. Oh my gosh, the indicator's burned out on this one. Let's see if it works on this. Yep, it does. All right, let's go on to G. That indicator is already dead. There's Big Brother. All right, we'll go for one more ride, and that's gonna be it. Phone. Cancel my call. I love the view of the Moody Gardens Hotel. This is a great view. All right, back down to one end there. I want to let you listen to this chime right here. Listen to this chime. Listen. The chime just keeps on humming until the light goes off. Other than the glitched indicators, These are nice. All right, this one's got a fully working indicator. This is the 4th elevator car. I figured I'd include a clip on the 4th elevator card. Dude, that chime sounds lovely. As you can see, these elevators are not as busy. Oh, we got people coming in. I guess I'll take the different one. Schindler surprise. All right. Oh, here's the lantern right here. Wow, that is lovely. All right, well, anyways, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video up here. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.